Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. The story tonight is Harmony on the Great Grassland. In a distant great grassland, various wild animals lived in harmony. This expansive and fertile land nourished countless beings, all coexisting peacefully, creating a beautiful ecosystem. In the eastern part of the grassland, there lived a formidable bald eagle named Egna. With sharp talons and keen eyes, Egna ruled this territory and aspired to expand his dominion across the central and eastern portions of the great grassland. However, this grassland was also home to other animals, including a cunning and greedy bird known as the hoopoe. Like the rest of the animals, the hoopoe enjoyed the serenity and freedom of the grassland, but it was primarily interested in its own gains and paid little heed to others. One day, Egna, the bald eagle, decided to find the hoopoe and made a request. "Hoopoe, I hope you can help me chase away that peregrine falcon. It has been foraging in my territory, threatening my rule. If you assist me, I will generously reward you." The hoopoe considered for a moment, then replied, "Dear Egna, I understand your concerns, but I am more interested in my own gain. If you offer an adequate reward, I am willing to help you drive away the peregrine falcon." In his anger, Egna agreed to the hoopoe's conditions and promised a substantial reward. Together, they devised a plan to expel the peregrine falcon and expand their territory. These two cunning animals began implementing their plan, while the Arabian horses and camels were innocent bystanders. They had to endure the greed and schemes of the bald eagle and the hoopoe, but eventually, they also became entangled in the conflict. As time passed, the peace of the grassland gradually deteriorated, and the animals grew increasingly uneasy. They understood that they had to take action, or the entire ecosystem would be destroyed. The wild animals united, forming a massive force, determined to preserve the peace and harmony of the grassland. Lions, zebras, elephants, rhinoceroses, leopards, and a variety of animals joined their ranks. Their combined strength was so powerful that Egna and the hoopoe could no longer continue their greedy schemes. A fierce battle erupted as the wild animals bravely resisted, refusing to let greed dominate the grassland any longer. In the end, peace and justice triumphed over avarice and schemes. The wild animal force drove Egna and the hoopoe away, teaching them that greed and schemes only lead to the destruction of peace and harmony. The animals of the grassland celebrated, rebuilding their harmonious coexistence, showing mutual respect and helping one another. Egna and the hoopoe eventually understood the importance of peace and cooperation. They found a new place and began a new life far from greed and schemes. They also realized that coexistence and mutual respect were the true sources of strength. The moral of this story is that peace, cooperation, and mutual respect are crucial to maintaining a harmonious ecosystem. Regardless of our species, we should share this planet and work together to protect it, because only through peace and unity can we truly achieve harmonious coexistence.